BLH Nobel developed a solution that allows for a weighing vessel, or silo, to be fully calibrated in a fraction of the time required using flowmeter or weighbridge calibration methods. This method can often be carried out without the need to modify your existing systems, as most already have a suitable jacking point at each load cell. We jack up the vessel using hydraulics instead of loading with weights or flowmeter. Typically, we measure the result in several points and verify the weighing result. Step 1. Place a bottom plate to get up to the right level. Step 2. Place the hydraulic jack onto the bottom plate. Step 3. Place the load cell onto the hydraulic jack. Step 4. Level the equipment with the adjustment screws. Step 5. Unload the vessel or silo to the desired reference value, and compare it with the value displayed on the operating instrument. A calibration is performed if the values don't match. For more information about BLH Nobel products in New England, contact AP Corporation.